Hey, it's Jerry Stevenson. I'm here at the RBL Studios and we're shooting a video on how to make a pastrami at home, just like we do at the Redneck BBQ Lab. One of the things that I like to tell folks is when we make our brine is we put in a lot of ingredients. Basically, my spice collection that goes into our pastrami brine is a collection of everything that you could possibly find in your mother's spice cabinet. Mine is basil and oregano, probably the little sprinkles that she puts on cupcakes for you. But one of the pro tips I'd like to share with you guys today is some of these spices in here, it's really hard for them to break down. They're not really water soluble, they're more oil, and a lot of times they want heat to like rapidly break down. Our brine takes over 2 weeks to make our pastrami. So here's one of the things I like to do to kind of speed things up. I like to throw my spice rub into a plastic bag. Like to take something that's kind of heavy, and I like to kind of give it a couple wraps. Don't let your significant other see you do this at home. They might not like it. But that's one of the things it does. It helps break this stuff up, helps release a lot of the aromas, and helps this stuff kind of permeate through the water a little bit better when we're trying to do that brine. So once again, I'm Jerry Stevenson with the Redneck BBQ Lab, giving you the pro tip today. If you like this, please like it, subscribe to our videos, and share this with your friends. And more importantly, if you guys have some suggestions or comments about this video or any other future videos that you may want to see, please leave it down here below.